Do you eat beans? Do you like white beans? White beans are one of many varieties of beans and is found in North and South America. Soft, with a nutty, earthy flavor, they are an excellent addition to soups, stews, bell peppers, and other dishes. White beans' properties put this food on the list of most searched foods for those who want to lose weight or are on a restrictive diet. According to researchers, white bean flour helps with weight loss and lowers blood sugar levels. Want to know why? Researchers say that the protein found in this bean, called phaseolamin, inhibits the absorption of glucose by the body, being important in the control of diabetes. However, this flour must be produced from raw beans. As to not lose phaseolamin, it brings the following benefits. Reduces absorption of carbs. The proteins found in white beans aids in weight loss by reducing the absorption of carbs and is also rich in fiber. Reduces fat deposits. With phaseolamin reducing the conversion of starch into glucose and fiber slowing down the absorption of sugar, we avoid glycemic peaks in the blood. That means less insulin will be produced, the hormone responsible for getting glucose inside cells, and is also related to the deposit of fat inside fatty tissue. The less it circulates around the body, the less fat is stored, avoiding fatty masses. Increases satiety. The fiber in white beans increases the feeling of satiety, which will curb your hunger and ultimately help reduce your daily calories. Improves bowel movements. The gel created by white beans fiber improves the fluidity of fecal matter. This allows it to flow better through the digestive system and avoid constipation. Fiber is also fermented by the good bacteria of our microbiota, which favor its proliferation and benefiting our digestion. Just to clear up your understanding, if the microbiome is a planet, consider the microbiota one of many countries on that planet. Controls glycemia. They helps to control diabetes by lowering blood sugar levels. If used correctly, in conjunction with a proper diet, may help eliminate diabetes altogether. Have a look at our video on how you can possibly rid yourself of diabetes. Are you enjoying the video? Then hit the like button and share it with a friend. It really helps out our channel. Lowers cholesterol. Because of how rich it is in fiber, during digestion you will not absorb as much cholesterol, which will also keep the levels down in your blood. Cholesterol is important to your body, but at suitable levels to each individual. Strengthens the immune system. Approximately 60% of our body's defensive cells are in our intestine. Proper functioning of this organ can help to improve the immune system on our bodies. When the good bacteria from the gut microbiota digest fiber, they produce fatty acids that prevent bad microorganisms from reaching the bloodstream. Do you want to learn how to make white bean flour? To make white bean flour at home, rinse 2.4 pounds of beans and let them dry for 3 days. Once the beans are dry, put them in a blender or food processor, and blend until it becomes a fine powder. Using a strainer, remove any parts that weren't ground and ground them again until powder. Store the flour in a dark glass container with a lid. Keep it in a dry, cool place. The flour lasts up to 3 months. To get the benefits mentioned in this video, consume 5 grams, or around 1 teaspoon of white bean flour. Diluted in water, half an hour before your lunch and dinner. You can also consider adding it to your soups, stews, smoothies, bread, pancakes, or even salads. However, people with hypoglycemia, children, and pregnant women can't eat white bean flour. The drop in blood sugar levels is dangerous and can cause malaise and fainting. Also, don't consume more than 30 grams a day of this flour, nor eat it for more than 30 days without medical supervision. White bean flour hinders the absorption of essential nutrients, like iron and proteins. So, did you know this flour and all the benefits of white beans? Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Leave a comment with suggestions for future videos. We love giving you actionable health advice and remedies.